Today, I'm going to show you how to add an admin team member to your Whop community, step by step, so you can give the right person access without confusion or wasted time. This is really useful if you're growing your community, bringing on a support rep, or letting a teammate help manage products, members, or operations inside Whop. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your Whop dashboard. Once you're inside the main panel, look at the left-hand navigation menu. You'll want to find All Tools, then click More to expand the full list of available options. From there, click on Team. This is where Whop keeps your team management settings, so you can invite new members and assign their permissions correctly. Now that you're on the team page, the next thing you need to do is configure the role before sending the invitation. Whop gives you different role presets, and this is important because each role controls what the person can see and do inside your workspace. You'll want to assign the workspace role called Permissions Management, then choose the operational tier that matches what you want this team member to handle. If you're not sure which role to choose, you can click the eye icon next to any role preset to preview the exact permission map. That makes it much easier to understand what each role can access before you invite someone. It's always a good idea to double-check this part, because the wrong role can either give too much access or not enough access for the person's job. On the right side of the page, click the Invite Team Member button. This opens the Add Team Member pop-up menu, where you'll finish the invitation process. Here, choose the role preset that best fits your staff member. If you need someone with complete access, choose Owner. This role has full access to everything, including legal settings and developer configurations. If you want someone to help run the platform more broadly, choose Operations. That role can manage products, apps, courses and members, which covers most of the day-to-day work, except direct payouts and developer tools. If the person only needs to handle revenue-related tasks, choose Sales. Sales can view transactions, billing data, and create checkout links, which is perfect for someone focused on purchases and conversions. If your team member is there to support your customers, choose Support. Support can moderate chats, handle customer support tickets, and manage course text so they can keep your community and help desk running smoothly. And if you're working with someone on promotions, choose Advertiser. This role is specifically for ad infrastructure and marketing analytics, so it's great for a media buyer or marketing assistant who doesn't need access to everything else. Once you pick the right role, enter their email address or Whop username into the input field. Make sure the information is accurate, because this is where Whop will send the invitation. After that, click Invite. The platform will immediately send the invite, and your new team member will be added once they accept it. That's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can add an admin team member to your Whop community and give them the exact permissions they need. The key is choosing the correct role first, then sending the invite to the right email or username. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.